lovely people, to another Temu video. In today's video, I'm going to be telling us how to get free gifts on Temu, okay? You either put in this code on the search bar, search this code FRS 127497, and you just go on to search it, play the little game. A game might pop up, not might, you actually get a little game, okay, and you play it. It's this way for me because I've searched this code few minutes ago. I've already played the game, and here I'm being offered up to 6 free gifts. Now, you either do it this way, or I'm going to be leaving my link for you to download the app and get access to these free gifts. The link is going to be in the description box as well as in the comment section, okay? Now, I want to tell us that this comes with terms and conditions. You need to be a new app user. I've gotten so many comments about how they didn't get the free gift, how the code is not working for them. You need to be a new app user. This free gift is for new app users. I keep saying it over and over again. It's for new app users, and once you download the app for the first time in your phone, or you have a new email that you've not used to register on Temu, you use that email to register with the app you have on your phone, the Temu app. Once you register, you're done with everything. You input this code, or you downloaded the app with my link, then this free gift option pops up. Now, I want us to know that after you're done choosing the free gifts, you still have to pay for your qualifying orders. The free gift on Temu comes with qualifying orders. It's free, yes, but you actually have to unlock it, okay? Now, that's where the qualifying orders come. After you're done picking your free gifts, then you need to spend some money. Depending on the amount of free gifts you pick, the higher the cost of those free gifts, then the higher you're going to pay for your qualifying orders. But if the free gifts you chose are like cheap things, not so expensive, then you're going to spend less money on your qualifying orders, okay? So let's have that in mind. When you're done choosing your free gift, the next thing or the next page that will be popping up to you is for you to buy some items. And of course, you need to choose those items just as you need to choose your free gift from the page here that you're looking at right now. You need to also buy your items from the page you'll be shown. That's how it works. Now, I've also heard that some people complain they don't get exactly what they want as a free gift. Here are 2 or 3 things you can do to help increase your chances of getting exactly what you want. First, before you put in the code for the free gift, browse that item on the app a number of times, okay? Let's say, for example, you want a cup or a Stanley Cup dupe or something. Browse about it, a number of times. Just go over it, click on the one you like, look at it and all that. Just spend few minutes to do this. Then another thing you can do is to add it to your wish list. Now, this is how to add stuff to your wish list. Click on what you want, scroll down to where you have the product detail, and click on save. It's that easy. It's just like that. It's added to your wish list. Now, the last thing you should do, or you can do to increase your chances to get exactly what you want as a free gift, is to add it to your cart. As simple as that. Yes. So if you do these 3 things, it's going to increase your chances. Like, even if you don't get everything you want, at least 1 or 2 things, you definitely see it as an option, for your free gifts. Try it and let me know if it works out for you. Remember, this is for new app users, okay? If you're an existing Temu app user, you can still try this out and see if it works out. But if it doesn't, it might work in a different way for you. It might not be as seamless as the new app users. It might be you might be asked to come back every day to get a free gift or something like that. But for new app users, Just try this out and let me know how everything goes for you. If you get exactly everything you want after you use my tips, let me know. I'd like to hear from you. Let's discuss in the comment section. If you've watched this point, thank you. And if you've gotten if you got value from this video, please like, share, comment, and just subscribe. Okay, it's free. Subscription is free. Just click on the subscription button and turn on your bell notification so that whenever I post a new video, you'll be the first to know about it. Anyway, thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.